Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about Extra Strength Coconut Miracle Oil by OGX. This all-natural coconut oil is a really great moisturizer for your hair and your scalp. Now, for those who need a little bit of extra moisture in the summer when it's really hot, if you have scalp that's easily irritated, when it gets flaky and you have maybe braids in, or a style that you can't easily wash as often as you'd like, this is a really great oil for that. It penetrates deep within the roots and into the scalp, so it not only moisturizes your head, but it moisturizes your hair as well. There's some pros and cons about this product, so I'm really excited to talk about it today. Just for those of you who are looking for a really good moisturizer, especially for the summer with all the summer hairstyles, this is a really great option. So you can see that I've used quite a bit of it. It's really good. I've been using this over the span of a couple months now. It's not something that I use too often, only because I don't really need it that much. I use this right after I wash my hair, and then I don't use it again after that until I'm going to wash it again. I don't use it in between washes because I don't really have the need to. So it comes in this bottle. Now this is a really tiny bottle. They do carry it in a larger size. So I have this lighter here so that you can compare it to size. So as you can see, it's just a little bit taller than that lighter, but it's obviously much wider, as you can see from the bottom to the top. This is not a portable product. And I say that because it is oil. So you do risk a chance of it spilling in your bag. You risk a chance of the product being altered by different temperatures, whether it be cold or hot, because as you may know, coconut oil changes in many forms. So I would not put this in a hot area, room temperature, in your bathroom cabinet, in your makeup bag, wherever your hair things are. And be extremely careful because, again, it is oil. It's just a loose oil, and it can spill. So that's one thing that just to keep in mind about this product. So as you can see on the front, it has its label. It does say it's a penetrating oil. Basically what that means is that it penetrates. You can put it on your hair, just on the surface. It's going to penetrate your hair follicles into your scalp, and it's going to moisturize your scalp from there. There's no need to part your hair and put it directly on your scalp. You can just rub it through your hair and it'll do its job that way. So you see that it does have a cap. The cap is pretty secure. I haven't had any issues with it spilling out, only maybe once or twice when I didn't have it down all the way. I would definitely prefer something that would screw on, only because I would be 100% sure that it was secure. But it's not a deal breaker. As long as you're careful and you keep it sitting upright, it should be fine. So two of the main ingredients in this product is coconut oil and vanilla bean extract. They're really great moisturizers, but not only that, they smell really nice. One of the reasons why I don't use this too often is because I'm a little bit sensitive to fragrances and smells. This is very strong. Most coconut products have a very strong, sweet smell. You can smell a coconut product from a mile away. Be mindful about that while using this product, because it can be a little bit overwhelming, especially because it's in your hair. I would not use this generally because it is so thick. You can put a little bit in your hand and kind of rub it into your hair. You're not going to need that much, and that's why, as you can see, I haven't really used a lot of it. So I just open the top and I squeeze maybe just like a little dime size in my hand. Just that much. So it is a thick oil. It doesn't feel like what a natural coconut oil feels like when it's melted. This is a lot thicker. This almost feels like castor oil, vegetable oil. It's a lot thicker, which is good because when you put this in your hair, it's going to stick. It's not going to run down your face or run down your neck. It's going to stay in your hair. And so you won't have to worry about it running, all over the place. Like, as you can see, I'm just going to show you my hand. It's not running off my hand, and I did pour a very generous amount of it on there. So just keep that in mind when you're using this. It's very thick, and as you can see, I've already spilled a little bit of it on the bottle. So I just kind of rub it. I rub it in my hands like so, and then I kind of just work it in to my hair this way. I rub the roots. I rub the ends, especially the ends, because that is the part of my hair that gets the most dry, and I just rub it in that way and just kind of just very rigorously. You can use the product that's on your hand. You don't have to pour more onto your hands, because I promise you, one, the smell is very, very strong, and two, it's going to do its job. The less is more. Definitely with this product. You don't want your hair to be overly greasy, because it is a very thick oil. Also, one thing that I love about this product is that it leaves a nice sheen, which you can see on my hand. It's definitely shiny. It leaves your hair looking very moisturized, very vibrant. It leaves a really beautiful sheen, so it's great for that. So again, it's the Miracle Coconut Oil. It definitely does its job. It lives up to its name. I've used this for a couple months now. I only use it every once in a while, usually when I'm washing my hair right after. I rub it through there. The smell is of coconut oil and vanilla bean. It is very, very strong. That is one of the things that I don't love about this product, because it is in my hair and I know that I'm not going to wash it out immediately. And so the smell can be a little bit overwhelming. So just keep that in mind. You don't want to use a lot of this, because it just may be too strong for you. The bottle is made of a hard plastic. Obviously, it's not that small. Excuse me, it's not that big, but I wouldn't want to take that with me, only because it's oil and you risk a chance of it spilling out in your bag. That's the only thing. If you're a hair person and you think you need it on the go, it's definitely the right size for that. So again, it's Miracle Coconut Oil by OGX, and I hope that you go out and try this, and I hope that you found this information helpful.